Okay, so you know how to divide the numbers. Same way we have to divide the polynomials also. So if we have to divide this 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, this polynomial, by another polynomial, x plus 2, what we will write on? We will write on x plus 2 here, and we will draw this symbol, and then we will be writing this 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 here. Mani? Correct? Is this step clear?
Yes.
Okay, next. Next, Mania, you have to just think of one thing. Okay, that's like a trick only. That this is x, right? And this is 2x squared. My question is, how can you make this x a 2x squared? Tell me. How can you make x a 2x squared? What will you do in x so that your x will become 2x squared? What will you multiply? Are you understanding what I'm saying? You just have to look at this term and this term. Right. See, Manya, x, right? Here you have 2x squared. So what is extra? First of all, 2 is extra. So you'll multiply by 2. And in x squared, the x is already there. So will you not multiply by x? Are you
Yes.
understanding, Manya?
Yes.
In x, what have you multiplied so that your answer will be 2x squared? 2x. That is what you have to think. So you'll be writing 2x here. Okay. Why are we doing this, Manya? So that you will get exactly what you have here, and then you can write on the same thing here. So it's 2x squared, right? So what is x into 2x? It's 2x squared. You have written that. Now, plus 2, right? So plus, what is 2 into 2x? Is it not 4x? 2 into 2x is 4x. Do you understand? See, you have to multiply this term with this, and then this term also with this, and you have to write down just here. That's it. Clear? Mane? Okay, let's move ahead. After this, you just have to do one thing. Of course, what do we do? We subtract, right? When we subtract, do you know what do we do? So we simply reverse the sign. Plus will become minus, this plus will become minus. Now this 2x square and minus 2x square, ye cancel ho jayega, 0. And what will happen to this plus 3x and minus 4x? Tell me. What is 3x minus 4x? Manya, what is 3 minus 4? Is it not minus 1?
Yes.
So what is 3x minus 4x? Minus x. Right? See, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and then x as it is. So what is minus 1 into x? It's minus x only. So we are getting minus x here. And then write down this plus 1 as it is. Got it? Now, you have to follow the same thing here. Again, you will look at this, which is x, as you can see. But here it is minus x. So you should be getting exactly the same thing. So now again, you will do this. X into what will be minus x? Will it not be minus 1? Minus 1. So you'll be writing here minus 1. And you'll multiply again the same. X with minus 1. What is x into minus 1? Minus x. And then plus 2 into minus 1. What is plus 2 into minus 1? Minus 2. And that's it. Then now subtract this. When we subtract, we reverse the sign. This minus will become plus. This minus will become plus. Now this minus x and plus x will be 0. So it will get cancelled. And this plus 1 plus 2 will become 3. And that's it. We are done. So your remainder comes 3 and your quotient comes 2x minus 1. Clear, Manya?
Yes.
Okay. Let me erase this first. And let me make you understand the same thing once again. Okay, so that you can understand what exactly I have done here. First, I have written the question. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. I have written x plus 2 here. Wait, let me just erase all these things. Yes, sometimes when we don't understand things, we just do it again and again, again and again. And we do it till that time, we feel like, okay, we have finally understood this very properly. So we are going to do the same thing, okay? So this x plus 2, I have written over here. Clear? Mana? Now, this 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is written over here. Now, you have to think, Manya, in such a way that this x, okay, this x you will multiply by what? You don't even have to think about this. Nothing. Just think about this and think about this, right? So, x you are going to multiply by what? So that your answer will be 2x square. That will be 2x. And now just when you write on 2x, you multiply this by this so that you'll get exactly the same number here so that you can subtract this and it will be 0. And then multiply this, like, of course, plus 2 into 2x, that which is 4x. And then you subtract it by reversing the sign. So, of course, this will be 0. And then what is plus 3x minus 4x? It's minus x. And then this plus 1 as it is. After this, again, you have to do the same thing. First, you did this and this, like you wanted to make this x exactly same as this. Now you will want to make x exactly as minus x. So what will you do in x so that your answer will be minus x? Just multiply by minus 1. And that is what we have done here. You have written minus 1 here. So now what is x into minus 1? It's minus x. And then what is plus 2 into minus 1? It's minus 2. Okay, so this is our next question. Okay, this is very small. I'll just make it a little bigger. So divide 3. Okay, I think it's not clearly visible. So it says divide 3x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 5. So by 1 plus 2x plus x squared. So I would suggest one thing, Manya, that always first arrange the polynomial in the decreasing order of the degree, right? So here you can see that that is already arranged in decreasing order, 3x cubed plus x squared. So first you have the degree 3, then you have the degree 2, then you have the degree 1, and then you have no degree, right? Like 0. And then here you can see whatever is our divisor. In that you can see that it is written 1 plus 2x plus x squared. So you'll just do one thing, Manya, that you'll write on x squared first, then you'll write on 2x, and then you'll write on 1. That's it. Is it clear? You just have to arrange it in a descending order of the degree. That's it. Now, Manya, you can see that this is x squared, right? But this is what? 3x cubed. So tell me, how can you make x squared a 3x cube? What will you multiply? Very first thing, Manya, 3 is not there, so 3 will multiply. X cube, what is the meaning of x cube? It's x into x into x. And what is the meaning of x square? It's x into x. So in this x, what will you multiply so that it will become 3x? Of course, one more x, right? So that one more x will come here. Is it clear? Manya, yes, is this part clear?
Yes.
So x square you will multiply with 3x so that you'll exactly get the same thing. So you'll be writing 3x here, the number, the expression or the term by which you're multiplying. And then the result is 3x cube, write on 3x cube as it is. Now do the same thing with all the other terms also. Now multiply this 2x with 3x. What is the answer? 2 into 3 is 6, plus sign of course. And then what is x into x? It's x squared. Clear? And then plus 1 into 3x. What is 1 into 3x? It's 3x only. And then, of course, we are going to subtract this. When we subtract, we change the sign. Here, there is no sign. That means it is a plus sign only. So plus will become minus. This plus will become minus, and this plus will also become minus. Now, I hope it is very clear that this plus 3x cube and minus 3x cube will get cancelled because that will be 0. Now this is x square minus 6x square, okay, not plus 6x square. If I use the vanishing pen, it is x square and then minus 6x square. So what is x square minus 6x square? Will it not be minus 5x square? Of course. And then what is plus 2x, right? The plus 2x and then minus 3x. What will be the answer? Plus 2x and minus 3x. That means 2x minus 3x. Will it not be minus x? So it will become minus x and then plus 5 as it is. Clear, Manya?
Yes.
Okay. Now again follow the same step. Now it is x squared and now you have minus 5x squared. So tell me, in x squared, what will you multiply so that your answer will be minus 5x squared? Tell me, this is very simple. In x square, what will you multiply so that your answer will be minus 5x square? See, x square is coming as it is. So you don't have to do anything with the x. What is extra? Mani? What is extra? Minus 5. So will you not multiply by minus 5? Yes or no? Is it clear, Manya? Are you understanding this?
Yes.
Okay. So this will become, of course, x squared, you will multiply by minus 5 so that your answer will be minus 5x squared. So we'll write on this minus 5 here. So it's minus 5 here. And then, of course, the answer is minus 5x squared. So you have got exactly the same thing. Why are we doing this? As I explained already, just to cancel it out. Okay. Next. Of course, you are going to multiply in the next term now. Plus 2x with minus 5. So अगर 2x को minus 5 से multiply किया तो what will get? Plus and minus will become minus and 2x into 5 will become 10x. Manya, right? And then we are also going to do this. 1 into minus 5. What is 1 into minus 5? Minus 5. Now what we will do? We will change the sign. So this will become plus, this will become plus, this will become plus. So this and this will get cancelled because it will be 0, minus 5x square and plus 5x square. Change करने के बाद मान्या, you have to consider this sign, this sign, this sign. Not the upper one, right? What is x plus, minus x plus 10x? Of course, we have minus x and below we have plus 10x, which is same as minus x plus 10x. What is the answer? Of course, it will be 9x plus 9x. So this is 9x. Now, what is plus plus? Plus plus is plus only. That means what is 5 plus 5? 10. And that's the answer. You can stop here. Why are you stopping here? Because now you can't multiply this. You are having a higher degree here and lower degree here. So that is why you can stop here and that will be your answer. So the quotient is this and the remainder is this. Clear, Mani? Yes, I hope this part is clear. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. So I'll take the exercise question now, so that we can just first do some easier questions. Okay. So I'll be taking the question directly. This is NCERT first question. Exercise, of course, 2.3. So we have to divide x squared minus 2. Like we have to divide by x squared minus 2. And our dividend is x cube minus 3x squared. X cube minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay. Plus 5x minus 3. Correct? Abhi yahan pe manya, we have to do the same thing. Okay. Can you tell me what is the first thing that we have to do? First term you can see yahan pe x square hai aur andar x cube hai, right? So what will you do? You will think कि x square को किस expression से या किस term से multiply करे so that हमारे पास x cube आ जाए, right? मान्य? और ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? So that x cube cancel हो सके, right? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So यहाँ पे ये जो x square है, this x square you have to multiply by x so that your answer will be x cube, exactly this. So what will be the answer? X only. So now tell me, what is x square into x? X cube. Next, What is minus 2 into x? Minus 2x, right? But you can notice one thing here, Manya, that this is x squared and this is x. So instead of writing below x squared, because there is no x squared term, you can write down this minus 2x below the x term only. So instead of writing there, you can write down here. And then we are going to subtract this. When we'll subtract, plus will become minus. Of course, this will get cancelled. यहाँ पे मानिए this minus 3x square is on the top. So ये जैसा है इसके साथ तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. No, nothing number you can see below that. So you'll be writing that number as it is, minus 3x square. यहाँ पे this will become plus. So what is 5x plus 2x? It will be 7x. And then the top minus 3 will also be written as it is. Got it? अभी फिर से
Yes.
we have to do the same thing मानिए यहाँ पे x square है. अभी हमें इस लाइन में देखना है यहाँ पे क्या है माइनस 3x स्क्वायर. सो एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सो दैट हमारे पास माइनस 3x स्क्वायर आ जाए. विल इट नॉट बी जस्ट माइनस 3 ओनली? तो अब इस x स्क्वायर को अगर माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया सो इट विल बी माइनस 3x स्क्वायर दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर ओनली. And then what is this minus 2 into minus 3? Will it not become plus 6? Minus 2 को अगर minus 3 से multiply किया तो it will become plus 6. Write down below the number only. So it's plus 6. And then subtract this. Is it clear, Manu?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, of course, this will become plus, so this will get cancelled. Then again, this 7x you will write down as it is, and this will become minus, right? So minus and minus will become plus, so it is 9. 6 and 3 will add, and the sign will be minus only. And that's the answer. Now, how can you understand where do you have to stop? Because यहाँ पे जो x की डिग्री है वो 1 है और यहाँ पे 2 है. बस you can stop there. That's it. समझ में आया? So what is the answer? You can write down also. Therefore, quotient is x minus 3. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 7x minus 9. It is like a division only. It's just not a normal number, but it is a polynomial. Clear? Yes. Is this part very clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take some easy questions now, Manya. Okay. Okay. So now our next question is, we have to divide 5x square plus 3x minus 2 by x plus 1. So मानिए x plus 1 हम यहाँ लिखेंगे और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा हमारे पास 5x square plus 3x minus 2, right? Can you tell me what should we do first? यहाँ पे x है और यहाँ पे 5x square. What will you multiply to this x? मतलब यहाँ पे what we will write down or what we will multiply this x with. So हमारे पास यहाँ पे 5x square आ जाए. That is the question. मान्य. Tell. Are you understanding this?
Yes.
X, yeah. So x you will multiply by what? So that we'll get 5x square. Will it not be 5x? Because x को अगर 5x से multiply करेंगे, so what will you will get? 5 as it is, and what is x into x? X square. So किससे multiply किया? 5x से, right? Okay. So you'll be writing as it is, just like a division, 5x square. Now, इस plus 1 को भी multiply करेंगे, so plus sign will be as it is. See, what is happening here? It is like a distributive property, Manya. X plus 1 into 5x, like this. So पहले x को 5x से multiply कर लिया, so we got 5x square. अब हम इस plus sign को as it is रखेंगे और 1 को 5x से multiply करेंगे, and that will be 5x. So यहाँ पे this will become 5x. Is it clear, Manya? ये जो स्टेप है यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी वो मैं डायरेक्टली वहां पे कर रही हूँ. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर, राइट?
Yes.
Okay, so 5x हुआ, and then of course what we do, we just subtract this. When we subtract, we reverse the sign. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Now this 5x square and minus 5x square will get cancelled. Now what is this plus 3x and minus 5x? Will it not be minus 2x? सी ऊपर में क्या है 3x है, नीचे क्या है माइनस 5x है. सो क्या हुआ चेंज करने के बाद, साइन चेंज करने के बाद, सो इट इज नॉट सेम एज दिस ओनली. 3x minus 5x, it is like 3 minus 5. So what is the answer? Is it not minus 2x? It is minus 2x, right? And then the minus 2 as it is, write down below. Now Manya, you'll be repeating the same thing. यहाँ पे x है और यहाँ पे minus 2x है. Tell me, what will you multiply in this x so that you will get minus 2x? Are you understanding?
Yes.
So x के साथ can we not multiply minus 2? अगर हमने x को minus 2 से multiply किया तो we are getting exactly the same, minus 2x, right? और फिर हम इस प्लस 1 को minus 2 से multiply करेंगे. So what is plus into minus? Minus. And what is 1 into 2? It's 2. Now you can see, of course, we'll change the sign. So minus will become plus, minus will become plus. What is minus and plus? 0. What is minus and plus? 0. So the answer is this. So what's the quotient? 5x minus 2. What's the remainder? 0. Clear, Manu? Is this
Yes.
part clear? So see, I'm taking all the easy questions and then only you'll be able to understand the difficult questions. So I hope this question is clear. If I ask you, how much have you understood? What will you say? 80%, 90%, 95%, 100%. How much have you understood?
90%.
90%. So 10% is still there. So I think we'll be doing more questions and we can understand what we can, we can work on our remaining 10% also. So next question is, Manya, we have to divide x square plus 11x plus 10 by x plus 1. ये divide करना है. So what you will write? You will write on x plus 1 here. And then you will write on the, is this clear, Manya? इसमें तो कोई confusion नहीं है ना? कि how I'm writing that x plus 1 outside and x square plus 11x plus 10 inside. इसमें कोई confusion है क्या,
Yes.
Manu? Confusion है या clear है?
It's clear.
Clear, okay. So now the same thing, Manya, again. x है, यहाँ पे x square है, right? So इस x में क्या multiply करेंगे? So हमारे पास x square आ जाए. So if you want, यहाँ पे पहले से ही you can write on x square, right? So x में क्या multiply करेंगे कि x square हो जाए? Is it not x only? x के साथ
Yes.
अगर x मल्टीप्लाई x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ओके नेक्स्ट, अब ये 1 को भी x से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो क्या हो जाएगा? x और प्लस साइन एज इट इज, सो प्लस 1 into x is x. अभी क्या करेंगे? इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सब्ट्रैक्ट में साइन रिवर्स. व्हाट इज x स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर? ये 0 हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज 11x माइनस x? विल इट नॉट बिकम 10x? 11x minus x, will it not become 10x?
Yes.
Right? And then the plus 10 as it is. अब फिर से वही करना है मान्या. यहाँ पे x है और यहाँ पे 10x है. So tell me मान्या, x के साथ what will you multiply so that your answer will be 10x? Come on, think about Manya. Think
10x
about it.
is clear.
10, very good. See, you got it. So you'll write on 10 here plus 10. So what is x into 10? It's 10x. So write on 10x here. Then what is the next thing? What do we do?
We will get cancelled either
But before that, माने इसको भी finish कर लेते हैं. 1 को भी 10 से multiply करेंगे, right? सिर्फ इसको नहीं multiply करेंगे 10 से, इसको भी. अभी जो number आ गया उसको second वाले से भी multiply करेंगे. So plus sign as it is and 1 into 10 is 10. अभी क्या करेंगे? Subtract. So plus जो है वो minus हो जाएगा, plus जो है minus. So ये भी 0 और ये भी 0. Did you understand this? So what is your quotient? X plus 10 and what is your remainder? 0. ये समझ में आया माने?
Yes.
ओके, पूरा क्लियर है बिल्कुल, नो डाउट. So in the next question, Manya, try to speak in this, okay? Speak meaning like even if it is wrong, it's okay, but try to give me the answer. So you have to divide 4x, because if you will solve, Manya, and you will do mistakes, then I will understand that, okay, I have to work on this part. ये part मुझे अच्छे समझाना है because ये वाला wrong आ रहा है, right? But that I'll only understand when you'll do it. So can you start? Tell me, what should I do first? What should I write? Where should I write? What is the symbol? Everything.
First we will write 4x square.
4x square.
minus 5x
minus 5x
plus 21.
minus 21, right?
Yes.
Okay, then
Then we will put the division sign there.
okay, we'll put the division sign here. Next,
Then we will write the x minus 3.
3 or x minus 3?
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Then what do we do?
We will first multiply
Wrong
x
answer.
with 4x.
That's amazing. See, you got it. X with 4x, if you multiply, you will get 4x with exactly what we wanted. Same cheese lana hota hai. So you got the same thing. Next one after this.
Then we
एक
will
और
do
टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Yes.
minus 3 with minus
Minus
5.
No, minus 3 with 4x. Manya, minus 3 with 4x. So what is it? What is minus 3 into plus 4x? Minus sign will come, of course. What is 3 into 4x?
4x.
नंबर को मान्या नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें. 3 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So what is it? 12.
12.
और x तो x ही है. x तो ऐसे ही रहने देंगे because दूसरा कोई x है नहीं. Next, what you'll do, you'll subtract this. So subtraction, tell me, what should I do? Yes, माना हम साइन चेंज करते हैं, राइट? करेक्ट. साइंस जो है वो चेंज
Yes.
होगा. प्लस यहाँ पे है वो हो जाएगा माइनस और माइनस जो है वो जाएगा प्लस, राइट? Can you tell
Yes.
me what should I do next?
We will cancel 4x square with 4x square.
Very good. And what's the answer for the next? It is minus
7.
5x. Very good. It is 7x with the plus sign because, with 12x, you have plus sign because that's a bigger number. And then after that, what do we do? There is one thing that is remaining that we have to write on as it is. What is it?
Minus 21.
Very good. Now, the same step will be repeated. Tell me, what will you do? X, you will multiply this x. You don't have to worry about minus 3. X के साथ, whatever you'll multiply, वही minus 3 के साथ multiply करना होता है. So you have to just worry about x. X को किससे multiply करेंगे so that you'll get a 7x. Yes, tell me. X को किस चीज से multiply करेंगे so that your answer will be 7x. X into what
X
will be
into
7x?
7.
That's correct. So you'll write on 7. Or हमें plus sign है, so you'll write on plus sign only. So it is 7x. Next, what do we do? Minus 3 को क्या करेंगे अभी? ये minus 3 को भी 7 से multiply. Right? So minus plus will become minus and 21 as it is. फिर से हम reverse sign करेंगे. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Can you tell me the next step? Yes. What is the next step?
7 and 7 will get cancelled with each other.
Okay.
And
Minus 21 and plus 21.
42. 42.
But it is minus 21 plus 21, Manya. Same number with the opposite sign. Will it also not get cancelled?
Yes.
Because minus 21 hai and niche plus 21 hai. So it is 0 only. So what is the answer? 0. Can you tell me what is the quotient and what is the remainder?
quotient will be 4x plus 7.
That is correct. And what is remainder? Remainder is always, yes, that's correct. अभी 90% से 91 हुआ मान्या?
Yes.
Okay, अभी 91 से will be going to 94. Okay, let's take another question. I want you to become perfect at it. So we have to divide 6x square plus 10x minus 24 by 2x plus 6. Manya, same way, start. See, I know how to solve this, Manya. I can solve it very quickly. I want you to become the best at it, right? So start, tell me. If you do mistakes, I'll be, of course, helping you. But you have to do the mistakes. Then only I can help you. So tell me.
First, we will write 6x square
Okay.
plus 102.
Oh, sorry. Is it looking like 102? It is x.
Okay.
10x
10x minus
minus.
24.
Okay, next.
We will put division sign.
Very good. Next.
2x plus 6.
Okay, next.
Hmm.
You know, when you'll speak, I will understand that what are you saying. Then only I will be able to correct you. So tell me, whatever you are thinking. What are we
3.
doing from so long? Yes, 3.
3x.
That's amazing, Manya. Okay. Next. What should I write down?
6x square
Perfect. Perfect. Next.
plus
Plus. Tell me, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Then only I will help you. That no, okay, this is what you have to do. So 6x is correct. Next.
then we will multiply 2x with 3x.
2x with 3x you have multiplied already, Manya. You have got 6x squared. Next number now. After 2x, what is there?
6.
6 with 3x, right? What's the answer? What is 6 into 3x?
9.
6 into 3. Is it not 18? Manya, 6 और 3 multiply होगा. Add नहीं.
Yes.
So what is 6 into 3? 18. And then x as it is. इसके बाद क्या करते हैं माना? We do
6x
reverse of something. हम अभी sign reverse
so
करते हैं, right?
plus
Plus will
will
become
get
minus.
minus and
Plus will become minus. Next step.
yes, and we will cancel 6x square and
Minus
6x
6x
square.
square. Next.
Yes. Then we will subtract 10 minus
What is the
18.
answer? Very good. Very good. You are getting it.
8.
8x, right?
Yes.
It is also there. But do you notice one thing, Manya, that sign will come? What sign will come?
Minus.
What do you think? Minus. Very good. What is next? What should I be doing next?
We will write minus 24.
Very good. Next.
Now we will add 4.
Now here is mine. Yes, you did very good. 4.
4x.
But if you'll do 4x, Manya, then will it not become 2x into 4x? That will become 8x square. You want only 8x. So 1x, are you not giving x? So will it not just be just 4?
Yes.
So that your 2x into 4 will become 8x, right?
Yes.
But do you notice one thing, that you're getting 8x, but you want minus 8x. So instead of plus, will you not put here minus?
Yes.
So 2x into minus 4, you have got minus 8x. What next?
4.
6 into, इससे multiply करना, right?
Yes.
So what is
6
into
into
minus
20.
4? Minus 24, right? What is the next step? What do we do?
We will change the sign.
Sign plus, and this will become plus.
Yes. Now 8 and 8x and 8x get cancelled.
And
Minus 24 and plus 24 will get cancelled.
very good. So what's the answer?
0.
So what's the quotient? And
3x minus 4.
And remainder is 0. Now tell me, what percent you are at right now? Tell me. I will understand, then I'll go to the next question. On what percent right now? You first said 90, and then I said that you are on 94%. Now, where will you keep yourself?
98.
98. So now we have to work on those 2%. Come on. Let's do the next question. Do it again on your own. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Start.
2x square plus 3x plus 1 will be
As it is,
here.
okay.
And then
Then,
we will put divide.
very good. Then,
And then we will write x plus 2.
very good. Next.
Okay, then we will multiply x with 2x square.
2x
So,
squared. So don't you think it will become 2x cube?
sorry,
अगर हम
yes,
यहाँ पे
2x.
yeah. So only 2x, so that your answer will be 2 into 1 is 2 only, and x into x will be x squared. So you got exactly the same thing. Okay, next. जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे है मान्या, उसको हमने पहले वाले से मल्टीप्लाई तो कर लिया, जस्ट टू मेक इट एग्जैक्टली द सेम. अब हम उसको दूसरे वाले से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और यू कैन ऑल्सो गो द अदर वे अराउंड. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो इसको भी इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट दैट. सो टेल मी.
Um, 2.
2 को 2x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट विल गेट?
4x.
Yes, very good. It's plus 4x, right? Plus sign क्यों? Because यहाँ plus sign है. Okay, next. What should we do next?
We will change the sign.
We will change the sign. So let's change the sign. So what will be the change in the sign?
Plus 2x will get minus 2x square.
Okay. Next.
And plus 4 will get minus 4x.
Very good. Next step.
Now we will cancel 2x with 2x.
Okay. 2x square with minus 2x square. Next. What is 3x minus 1? 3x minus 3x minus 4x. What is the answer?
1x.
1x. But don't you think that the sign will be plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. So can we not write on minus 1 into x as just minus x only? Minus.
Yes.
It will become minus x. Next. The remaining thing.
Plus 1.
Plus 1 as it is. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सिमिलर स्टेप रिपीट होगा माने, जस्ट चेक द सेम थिंग अगेन. 2x स्क्वायर के साथ चेक किया था, अभी माइनस एक्स के साथ चेक करेंगे. सो टेल what we will multiply with this x so that you will get minus x. हमें exactly same लाना है. So x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so that we get minus x?
x
Into what will be minus x? x already है मान्य, just minus sign extra आ रहा है. So will it not be minus 1?
yes
So minus 1 will come. So minus x into minus 1 will become minus x. What is next step?
plus 1
But what is plus 2 into minus 1? हमें दूसरे वाले से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, राइट? सो ये प्लस 2
plus
को
2
माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 2 into 1 will be 2 only. But what is plus into minus? Will it not be minus?
minus
अभी what is next step?
mm, we
Sign.
will change the sign.
Okay, so minus will become plus, minus will become plus. So this and this will get cancelled. What is plus 1 plus 2? It is plus 3. So what's the quotient? The quotient is 2x minus 1. And what's the remainder? This time remainder is not 0, but 3. Clear, Manya?
Yes
अभी 98% पे ही रखे या फिर 99 पे चलेगा?
99
99. Okay, so we are on that 1% now, Manya. Let's do another question, which I'm writing directly. Okay, so you have x plus 1 here, and you have to divide this polynomial 3x square plus x minus 1. Start, Manya. How will you solve this?
x will get x
Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Yes, x you will.
x will get multiplied with 3x, so it will be 3x.
वेरी गुड. सो माने मैं आपको एक एडवाइस दूंगी यहाँ पे. जस्ट राइट डाउन जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे है वही नंबर को यहाँ पे है. ओके, एंड नाउ यू थिंक कि यहाँ पे तो x है बट मुझे चाहिए 3x स्क्वायर. सो इस x में क्या क्या मल्टीप्लाई करूँ दैट यू लाइड हियर कि 3x स्क्वायर हो जाए. सो x को पहले 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये 3 आएगा, और यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर लिखा है, तो ऑफकोर्स x को एक बार x से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा सो दैट यू विल गेट x स्क्वायर. क्लियर? ये वाला बस फर्स्ट टर्म में ही करना है जहां पे एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर यू आर ब्रिंगिंग. बाकी के लिए जस्ट चेक मल्टीप्लाई करके. टेल मी व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
Then x will get 1 will get multiplied with x.
3x 3x ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई करते, राइट?
Yes,
सो व्हाट इज 1 into 3?
3x.
Plus 3x. Very good. What is the next step that we do?
We will change the sign.
We will change the sign. So what's the answer?
3x square and 3x square get cancelled with each other.
Very good. That's correct.
And then x
X
2x.
and minus 3. Minus, yeah, very good. 2x with the minus sign. Right?
Yes.
Okay, then जो बचा है उसको
Then
वापस नीचे लिखें.
-1.
-1. वेरी गुड. नाउ माने अगेन यू विल बी डूइंग द सेम थिंग. तो हमें क्या लाना है? हमें लाना है एग्जैक्टली -2x. तो पहले ही -2x लिख देते हैं. एंड नाउ टेल मी इस x में व्हाट यू विल मल्टीप्लाई सो दैट यू विल गेट -2x.
Mm.
इस x में what you will multiply here so that you will get minus 2x? That is the question.
2.
Yes, very good. 2. But don't you think you need minus 2x? So will you not put minus 2? Because minus bhi chahiye hame, right? So now what is x into minus 2? Minus 2x, we have written exactly the same thing. What next, Manya? वन को माइनस टू से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट? सी हमने वही स्टेप किया है. यहाँ पे भी हमने x को पहले 3x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर 1 को भी 3x से मल्टीप्लाई किया. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे हमारे वही करना है, x को माइनस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, अब ये प्लस 1 को भी माइनस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज 1 इनटू माइनस 2? इट इज माइनस 2. सो व्हाट्स द आंसर? व्हाट विल यू डू नाउ? You will reverse the sign. Minus will become plus, minus will become plus. Tell me, what's the answer? Of course, minus 2x and plus 2x will get cancelled. But what is the answer of minus 1 plus 2? If you are having, like, if you feel uncomfortable, what is minus 1 plus 2? How to do? Write it down. Maybe if you write it horizontally, you can get the answer quickly. So what is minus 1 plus 2? I just wrote minus 1 and I wrote plus 2. Tell me, what's the answer of minus 1 plus 2?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. But what is 2 minus 1? Is it not 1?
1.
And then plus sign will come because 2 is having plus sign. So it's 1. That's the answer. So what is the quotient? 3x minus 2. And what's the remainder? 1. Manya, clear?
Yes.
Yes, okay. We'll be doing one last question so that you can say that you have finally understood 100%, okay? So the last question for today, and that is x plus 2 here. And then the number that the polynomial that you're dividing is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Manya, start.
Uh, X will get multiplied with 2x.
Very good. Whatever I have to write down, you tell me. Yes, then.
2x square.
Okay. Then
Plus
plus. See, आपने ये x को 2x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, अब इस प्लस 2 को भी उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट?
4x square.
4x square, but how? 2 into 2 is 4, and then x तो एक ही है, तो x तो एक ही आएगा,
Yes.
right? Okay. Next.
Then we will change the sign.
Okay. Very good. Next.
Then 2x and 2x get cancelled.
Next.
X
Plus 3x minus 4x will be minus x. Why? Because 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and x will be as it is. So instead of writing minus 1x, we can just write down minus x, right? What next? Manu? Plus 1 as it is, right?
Yes.
जो ऊपर में plus as it is. Next. B, what will you do?
X
Correct? X. इस x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट मीन्स व्हाट आई विल राइट डाउन हियर सो दैट हमारा आंसर जो है -x आ जाए, मतलब यहाँ पे आई कैन राइट डाउन -x। तो x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें सो दैट यू विल गेट -x? इज इट नॉट -1?
Yes.
करेक्ट, सो व्हाट्स द आंसर? -x। व्हाट नेक्स्ट माने? अभी एक और नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर?
Uh, 1.
ये प्लस नहीं, ये +2 को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट? माने आई नोटिस्ड वन थिंग कि आप जस्ट ये वाला स्टेप भूल रहे हो कि आप पहले वाले को तो मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, x को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके यू हैव रिटन -x, बट जो दूसरा टर्म है उसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है। जैसा हमने x को 2x से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, फिर 2 को 2x से मल्टीप्लाई करके ये 4x लिखा था, सेम थिंग वी आर डूइंग इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑल्सो। x को हमने 1 से -1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सो वी गॉट -x, और अब 2 को भी -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो विल दैट नॉट बिकम -2?
Yes.
And then what is the next step?
X. We will change the both terms.
Okay, we'll change the sign. So -x plus x will get cancelled. What is the answer for the next term?
Um,
+1 +2. So the
One.
answer is 3. Because plus हो रहा है, right? अभी sign change होने के बाद वो plus हो गया. So what is 1 + 2? 3. So what's the quotient? 2x - 1. And what's the remainder? 3. So Manya, now tell me, is it 99.9% now?
Yes.
So you still have to make it to 100%.
Yes.
And how can you do? You have understood how to do it, Manya. Now you have to practice questions, okay? Khud se. Or just
Okay.
step में you feel like I'm not understanding, ask me. All right, Manya?
Okay.
Okay, so that is it for today.